First to type kipsqpg.com, then enter your user ID. Close the unwanted windows. ACCORD 123. Click on login. Come to generate paper. Click on create paper. Give the paper name assignment 1. Select the output template style 2. Then select the class. Automatically the paper will be appear. Then give the time 45 minutes. Maximum marks 15. You can give the question paper attribute. Later you can also adjust 40%, medium 40%, difficulty 20%. Later you can also adjust these attributes. Select monthly test. Select the chapters. Select first chapter, or you can select the paper sections as per your wish, 2 or 3 or 4. I am taking 4 sections. Select the first objective type. And select here multiple choice questions. Give 5 marks. Number of questions 5. Each question carry 1 mark. It is showing total available questions in the database. Here. Then again select the objective. Select fill in the blanks. Give 5 questions and each one carry 1 mark. Total remaining 37 questions available in database. Again select objective, application based questions. Two or take 3. Each question carry 1 mark. No, available 2 only. You can select 2. Each one carry 1 mark. Select subjective. Long answer 3. Available questions 3. Select short answer 5 available questions. Then take 3. Each question carry 1 mark. So total here total marks 15 and selected marks 15. So click on save paper. Click on save paper. So it will show the assignment questions. If you want, you can modify or you can continue. If you want to modify the question, see the questions here, they are given the green tick mark. If you want to change this, simply if you don't want to put this question, simply click on green mark. So close the unwanted windows. Sometimes it will be open. You can select another question instead of that one. Simply select. I will show multiple choice questions 5 and selected questions 5. Like that you can adjust all the Romans. So here is the fill in the blanks. If you want to modify anyone, so if you want to remove this one, simply click one, remove it one. Instead of this, I can select this question. Okay. After selecting all the questions, save, click save and next. Click save and next. It will show you the uploading the questions. %, 90, 100% uploaded. Once it uploaded, it will show you the publish message. So now here click on publish final paper. If you want, you can preview the PDF view, otherwise click publish final paper. So it will ask you again, click OK. Once it's published, you can download the question paper and answer sheet. It will show you both PDF and Word format. So once it is showing updated successfully, then click on here close button. Here click on close button. Here click view and edit. So now we are created assignment 1. Here it is showing. So this is the question paper PDF and Word format, and this is the answer sheet PDF and Word format. You can download the Word format and you can download the answer key sheet. Yes, click OK. So it will show you the assignment. It will show you the assignment. Okay, this is question paper. We can copy this one and put it your prepared question paper. And This is answer sheet. Here this is answer sheet. For each question it will show the answers. You can keep it for your reference. For question answers, you can for these questions you can copy the answers from key sheet which is provided to you. That's it. After completing, click on logout.